Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off safe mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Suppose if you are seeing safe mode label in the bottom left side of your phone, and if you would like to turn off this safe mode, what you have to do is go to power off option. Okay, just long press this power button if you have enabled power off menu to this power button. Otherwise, if it is Bixby opening here, just press power button and volume down button together and hold. I will have power off option, and here just restart. Okay, restart your phone, click on restart, then again click on restart. Now your phone will be free from safe mode and it will be rebooted into normal mode. Just wait, I will show you how it occurred. See here, I have restarted my phone and Samsung Galaxy logo appears, secured by Knox, powered by Android. Yes, it is rebooted and there is no such label you are seeing in the bottom left side now, because it is normal mode. Okay, so to turn off from safe mode to normal mode, what you have to do is just press power button and volume up button, or go to the soft key and just click on restart button 2 times, and you will be in normal mode. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.